When I first bought this TV, there were only two suppliers you can purchase it from, Best Buy and Amazon. Best Buy had the R617 variation, came with the enhanced remote, where you can use it over Wi-Fi and you had some basic voice functions. The R615, which you could pick up at Best Buy, only came with a more basic remote, no voice functionality at all. More about the remotes later. And if you want to see where you can purchase this TV, check out TCL's website. At the time of release, both variations of the 65-incher were priced at $999. Both you had to ship to home, or with Best Buy, you could ship to the store. Made sense to try Amazon first, right? Better remote, same price. Now, I've seen mixed results from the 6 series. Some panels look really clean, others not, with some ugly vertical banding. But the lottery is definitely risky for the size. Oh, ugh, that fucking sucks. Even the 55-incher is hit or miss. I returned it and tried out Best Buy. Slight dirty screen effect and the vignette are present, but honestly, I'm happy. It's safe to say that this TV is Incredibles 2, dude. Now, if you came here for a detailed 100% analyzed review talking about the plastic used in this TV was recycled from the Atlantic Ocean, saving rare albino dolphin whale hybrids who are gonna in turn end SeaWorld, you came to the wrong guy. That's too much trouble, and there's already artings and plenty of YouTubers where you can get more technical specifications and haters. So feel free to stop the video and leave the rest of it a mystery. You're still here? All right. Well, if you ask if I recommend this TV, you gotta keep in mind, what are you gonna do with it? Are you okay with the inconsistent quality control? If you game a lot, oh yeah, for sure. I've played some of God of War 2018, Infamous Second Son, and Halo 1 and 2 off the Halo Master Chief Collection, to name a few titles. I don't have a PS4 Pro or an Xbox One S or X yet, so I played these on the original PS4 and Xbox One. I have yet to PC game on this, but if I did, I would play controller preferred games like a 2D platformer or hook up a steering wheel. Unfortunately, there's no 120 hertz natively with this television, but I did see this weird picture on Reddit. I probably use a BenQ XL2411. That's a 24-inch 1080p 144 hertz TN monitor, and my previous TV was a Westinghouse 42-inch 1080p LED. Both have pretty low latency. I've also really enjoyed movies, television shows, anime, and cartoons. Maybe I'm easily impressed coming from an 11-year-old Westinghouse that I picked up on a Black Friday. But when I put on Batman Begins, a true 4K movie, I was taken back. Instead of using the built-in Roku, I signed up for DirecTV Now's introductory deal of paying for 3 months and getting an Apple TV 4K. It's so much smoother, way faster, the voice function is top-notch, and you can have apps in the background. So maybe you're watching Dragon Ball Z on Funimation and your dog wants out, but you don't want to leave your company on the couch staring at their phones. They want to stare though. Well, you can simply put on YouTube as a distraction until you return. Plus, the battery on this remote lasts forever. Speaking about remotes, I said earlier the R617 comes with a better remote. Now, I didn't spend much time with it, but the little I did, it felt better quality than the R615's version, which is not bad, but a letdown of the whole package. Nice size though. Great news is I looked around, and if you happen to break, lose, or maybe you just want a Wi-Fi remote, you can purchase one and pair it. You can always use a non-TLC Roku remote or check Amazon for something compatible with your TV model. I've actually considered buying a better remote for the TV, but I find myself barely using it now that I have the Apple TV. The only time I'm using the TCL remote is to just adjust picture settings based on what content brightness or to change input if needed. Another thing is you can always use your smartphone to control the TCL. It comes with the private listening and voice functionality that the enhanced remote has. Also note that private listening is only for Roku applications and cannot be used with any inputs. I prefer a physical remote as it's typically faster, but there's nothing wrong with options. You could always pick up a Logitech Harmony remote or something to cut down on the amount of remotes in your arsenal. If you don't have speakers, a soundbar, headphones, something, you're missing about 50% of the experience. This TV, like a lot of TVs, it's trash. The sound is trash. I mean, I don't have the best 5.1 setup, but, you know, whatever. Though you're not getting a TV for an audiophile experience, you're getting it for the video. And at this price, and a wishful win of the panel lottery, I think it's worth an attempt or two. This TV, you're getting a nice picture for a very affordable price, dude. Oof. Oof. One more time. Oof. If you're looking for something more consistent at a similar price and performance, you can check out the Sony X900E, X900F. You can also look at Vizio's 2018 P series. So that's my experience. What do you think of this TV? What about the video? If you didn't like it, turn this video off right now. Call fucking someone and tell them you love them. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to slap that like button, subscribe for a whole bunch of shit you don't want, and hit that notification bell alert like a cowbell. More cowbell.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's it.
Good job.